Why ask me? Up and down, up and down. Hey, 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 it's Callie Stormdoll, and we're still under the sea as today we're in the hallways of Mermaid High. And then we have this doll here named Oceanna, and she's a 2-in-1 play doll. So, Oceanna, I did get her from Target. This is the bottom of the packaging for anyone who wants to see. This is Oceanna. She's from a YouTube series, Mermaid High. This is her artwork on the side, looking fabulous. She has this long blue hair. Just very, very pretty doll. And on the back of the package, it says Mermaid High, splashing for fashion. Oh, sounds similar to another line's saying. So it seems like we can get Finley, Sierra, Oceanna, and Mari. So it says, dive deep into the world of Mermaid High, an oceanside school named after legendary tales of mermaid sightings. 4 new students are making serious waves with their unique style and outrageous personalities. But they've got a big secret. They're actually mermaids. Real mermaids at Mermaid High? Yep. But you've never seen mermaids like this before. Fins, fashion, and friendship as deep as an ocean. MFFs for Evs. Mer friends forever. It says your container contains 1 doll, 1 mermaid tail, a top, a skirt, a pair of shoes, 4 fashion accessories, 1 pretend shell laptop, 1 comb, 1 student ID, 1 instruction manuals, mermaidhigh.com. The shell opens in water. Is a surprise with inside, honey. This was made by Spin Master. This is very interesting to me. Very unique. Why? Now, one thing I'm going to say already before we get into the unboxing. Spin Master. Spin! This was an opportunity for you guys to do something ocean related. Like maybe inside of this huge piece of plastic, you could have did something with maybe a cardboard backing or something. It's a lot of plastic here, and it's a ocean themed item. You know, it just could have been an opportunity to kind of make a connection to saving the ocean using an ocean type of doll. And her name literally is Oceanna. So what I'm going to do now is get her unpackaged. We're going to get the doll out, go over her accessories and her interesting style. We'll be right back. So let's go over them. So she comes with these really cool glasses. Let's see if we can get those to focus on there. These glasses are so cute. They're pink and they have like glitter and everything inside of them. So I think that's really cute. She comes with this shell. Now the interesting thing with the shell is that they say they want you to put it underwater, but you can open it without water as well. So once you get it open, you see the picture of Oceanna talking with Shelby. This is supposed to be like her school laptop, and then we have a really cool prize. So it's just this tricolor packaging with sea stars and stuff like that. So her secret surprise is so her secret surprise is, it looks like either a choker or a bracelet, and it's yellow and pink. So this is Oceanna's school ID. And it looks like the instructions for those people who may need some help changing her from her fin to regular clothing. So this is her school ID. It says Mermaid High Student ID Oceanna. Mer style sporty chic. Favorite school subject science. Favorite food finning out. Pet my dolphin. Rare Stephanie. Mer power, super speed, so she can swim really fast. Favorite color, ocean blue. Ocean's catchphrase, let's catch a wave. Oh, wow. Oh, but this artwork is really pretty. I love that. Okay, this is very cute. So in this instructors, once again, it seems like this company is big on listing what you should have. So this is another guide on everything that should be in there. This is showing you how to get that top to pop But as I showed you, you can do that with or without the water effect. Here are her shoes. It looks like one side is painted, one side isn't. Spin Master, let's get it together. It looks like, unless it's supposed to be like that, I don't know. Maybe it is, I don't know. But the shoes are really cute. The design of the shoes are really cute. They're a mix between tennis shoes, sandals, and heels. So I really love the shoes. This is her overnight bag. As you can see, it has like a triangle on the side, scales, another triangle scale. It almost looks like a speaker, but the zipper on the side made me think it's more so an overnight type of bag. You can see it's purple, pink. It also has this little surfer keychain on it, a palm tree. Looks like it's also textured a little bit as well. Then it has a cloud over there. Looks like it's a very puffy cloud. Very interesting. Cute bag. She also comes with a comb. You can see this purple comb. It is hollow on the background. And she also comes with this skirt we can change her into when we want to see her legs, which we're going to do. And now we can check out the doll, Oceanna, because Oceanna is gorgeous, honey. Now, Oceanna does not come with a doll stand. She's on a pull-up doll stand. So that's the stand she's on right now. And I'm just going to zoom in to get those closer details. So it looks like Oceanna does feature headphones. So you can see it features these detailings at the top and in the middle. And as far as her hair goes, it is like an ocean blue color. It has the 3 braids coming down. And on the side of her headphones, you can see that she does have the clamshell details. So it looks like she has clamshells as her earrings, but she didn't come with any earrings, so that was kind of disappointing. Her shirt has a wave on it, and her shirt is like multicolored. It is yellow, pink, white, purple. It has blue stitching, blue wave. Once again, is a triangle symbol. It makes me think of Squid Games, looking at this triangle symbol that they placed on her again. On the back, you can see her shirt does Velcro. And looking at her fin, as you can see, her fin is beautifully colored, and it has these sparkly details all on it going down to the bottom. Now this I love. This is almost worth the $26 price point, but I'm sure these dolls will drop in price very soon. These were at Target. But this alone, especially if you're a Mermaid fan, this alone, yes. I love her tail. It has 1, 2, 3. So it has almost 3 layers, I think, of tooling. I could be wrong, but I just love the colors. And her hair is so soft. It's very, very soft hair. I didn't expect this quality. Now the rooting, I'll be honest, you can look right into her personality, you know. From the back of her head, you can look right into her personality, but it is fine. And if you didn't get a chance to look at her face up, they did give her the baby hairs at the front. She does have like a deep blue eyebrow. She has brown eyes. And she has a pink lip. Now I'm noticing in her ears, they are pierced. So if you have some dolly, you know, things like doll size earrings, you can try them out on her. So what we're going to do now for those people who may want to see what the body look like. So now Oceanna is going to transform. So now she's been the ocean mermaid. Now she's going to go through a transformatic scene. Oceanna transformed to ocean wave. So now we have Oceanna and her secondary look. She's wearing her choker. She has her sunglasses on. And you can see this top really is comparative to the skirts. They look really good. Both of them Velcro in the back. One thing about this doll I don't like is these knees. I did see this on someone else's review. The legs are very interesting. They almost bellow out. But the shoes look really good on her. and everything like that. So she's pretty. She's a very pretty doll. So here we have it. Oceanna. 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 Yes. Oceanna is here and she's here to capture waves. What do I think about this doll overall? Well, to me, this easily could have been a $20 doll simply because it is a new brand. Yes, we do get this very dynamic tail. Yes, honey, yes. I live for the drama. But she's not really that articulated. Like, I would have loved more like a leg articulation, or I don't know, something like that. Something to really like spruce it up and really get people to be like, wow, like a little bit of a wrist articulation even would have been more of it. But I will tell you this on the positive. So that was a con, a positive. She is a mermaid of color outside of the world of Mattel. So, I mean, we got to have that because we don't really get a lot of cartoony representation. You know, the most cartoony representation we get is Ariel, you know, but this one is like a hip mermaid of color outside the world of Mattel and Barbie, you know, because this one is more cartoony, so she's kind of more cartoony as well. So I do appreciate that. And as far as that goes, if you're a fan of mermaids, I would say get her. If you're a fan of fantasy characters, I would say get her. But other than that, she may be a pass for most adult collectors because of the lack of articulation, and her pieces aren't really of quality. These are low grade items. So it's really just up to the buyer. Me personally, I'm happy with her. I don't mind her. And she's actually my first mermaid of color outside of the world of Barbie. So I'm thankful for that. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And just remember this, guys. I will see you in my next video.